Hi everyone, myself Srinivas, and today we will discuss a topic on network terminology. Apart from, I would like to tell one more thing. In the description of this video, you will find a PDF material. You download it for reference purpose. Okay, so coming to the topic, network terminology. In the circuit or the network, we will use different terms. Okay, so we'll discuss about the terms. Okay, every time we'll find parameters, network, junction or node, branch, loop, mesh. These are the words or elements, nothing but these are the terms we will find every time in the network circuit. So we will discuss each and every term in clear. Okay, so first one, parameter. The three basic circuit elements such as here resistance, inductors and capacitors are known as parameters. Okay, here parameters are nothing but the resistance, inductors and capacitors will come under parameters. Okay, next one is a network. Here network is nothing but arrangement of energy sources along with circuit elements is known as a network. Nothing but here there may be either passive elements or active elements, or active elements and passive elements both are organized in a network. Then it is nothing but both are organized in a circuit in a proper way, then it is said to be a network. Okay, we'll see the definition. An arrangement of various electrical energy sources along with different circuit elements is known as a network. Or simply we can say that it consists of either passive elements or active and passive elements. Both elements is known as a network. Nothing but these are the passive elements R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, and these are the active elements, voltage source and then active element, this is a voltage source. So all these combination of all these active and passive elements are only active elements is known as a network. This complete is known as a network. Okay, so here these are called nodes. So we'll see what is a junction or a node. Okay, a point in a circuit, okay, such as A, B, C, D. All these points in a circuit are known as a junction or node. Okay, by using this point, okay, so we'll see the definition part. A point in a circuit or network at which two or more elements are connected. Suppose if you take a point B, is nothing but a junction or a node where two or more elements, here two elements are connected coming to the point A, where it is called a junction or a node. For junction A or node A, R1, R5 and R4 are the elements connected. For junction D, R3 and R4 elements are connected. For junction C, R2, R3 and R5 elements are connected. Okay, so each and every point is called a junction. A is one junction, B is one junction, C is one junction and D is one junction. Okay, here for D, especially for point D, here R3, R4 and voltage source is also connected. For point D or junction or a node D, R3 element is connected or R4 is connected, one more active elements, that is voltage, is also connected. So we have to consider voltage also. Okay, so here in this network, point A, B, C, D are 4 junctions or nodes of the network. Okay, hope it is clear. Each and every junction is also known as node. So branch. Here if you simply I will explain. A and B is one branch, B and C is one branch, C and D are one branch, A and D are one more branch here. Okay, so you'll see the definition part. A part of circuit or network connected between two junctions or nodes is known as branch. Here this is one junction and this is one junction, and a part of circuit or network connection between these two junctions or node is known as a branch. This A and B is one branch. Okay, a branch may contain one or more elements. A and B, only one element is there, so there may be one or more elements will be there. Here in this figure we will see AB is one node or one junction, BC is one junction, CD is one junction, DA is one junction, AC is one more junction, and BD is one more junction. Or small correction, here branch AB is one branch, BC is one branch, CD is one branch, DA is one branch, AC is one branch, and BD is one branch. Okay, this is also one branch. Okay, branch AB contains resistance R1 element connected between A and B. In this way we will read. Okay, a small correction here. I said it is junctions. A and B are junctions. Okay, here A is one junction and B is junction, and we'll call it as a branch. Okay, please correct it. So next one is a loop. A closed path of a circuit through which electric current is flown is known as a loop. Okay, here what is a loop means A, B, C, A, B, C, A is one loop. Okay, next A, C, D, A is one more loop. Okay, A, B, C, D, A is one more loop. Next B, A, D and V, B is one more loop, and B, C, D, V, B, and this is also one more loop. Okay, a loop may contain active elements or passive elements or both. Okay, this loop may contain active elements or passive elements or both also. Okay, here what is meaning of definition of loop is a closed path of a circuit where electric current is passed through this is known as loop. Okay, a closed path of a circuit or network through which electric current is passed, allowed to flow into the loop is known as, okay, electric current is flow is known as a loop. Okay, coming to the mesh. Here a mesh is nothing but a loop that does not contain another loop, which is known as a mesh. A loop does not contain another loop is known as mesh. Okay, best example are A, B, C, A. Okay, in this closed loop, we may not contain any loop, so it is a mesh. Okay, so next one is A, C, D, A. In this also we may not contain any other loop, and it is also called as mesh. Okay, we can call it as loop as well as mesh. And B, A, D, V, B. Here also B, A, D, V, B. Here also it is a mesh. Okay, but A, B, C, D, A is not a mesh. It is a loop. It is not a mesh. Why? Because again one more loop is there inside. So A, B, C, D, A, it is not a mesh. Okay, one more element is there in between. Okay, next B, C, D, V, B. Okay, B, C, D, V, B. Here one more loop is there. In this middle R1 and R4 elements are there. So it is also not a mesh. Okay. Here a loop, what is mesh? A loop does not contain any other loop is known as a mesh. A loop does not contain any other loop is known as a mesh. Okay. Thank you. This is what network terminologies. Okay.